Stay tuned for my wash day after taking my braids out using some new products. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing my wash day after taking down my box braids. If you have not seen that video, I'll link it up above, so make sure that you check it out. So I'm using some new products that I was gifted from Natural Rizado. I'm starting off with the Prepoo Oil, which is made with babassu oil, onion oil, and pumpkin oil. This Prepoo is made of organic, unrefined oils and pure essential oils like lavender, frankincense, grapefruit, which help to smooth, relax, and stimulate your scalp. This is great to deeply nourish your hair and at the same time stimulate and enhance hair growth because of the onion, garlic, pumpkin, and ginger extracts that are added. This Prepoo oil is used before shampooing. You apply the oil on your hair and scalp and let it sit for a minimum of 1 hour. The more the oil sits, the better, and it can be used in a DIY or hair growth oil treatment. You can definitely smell the essential oils and the shine that this Prepoo oil gave and the amazing slip. It was so easy to detangle my hair. Definitely loving this Prepoo oil so far.
Why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be. I wanna give our love away. So you're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I wanna take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen.
So here I have just washed out the Prepoo oil and my curls are looking amazing. They're looking shiny. Definitely loving this Prepoo oil. Definitely recommend it. So now I'm going to go in with the olive oil and hibiscus gentle hydrating shampoo. This is silicone free, protein free, and sulfate free. Now this shampoo is great for hair growth because it contains ingredients that keep your hair hydrated while helping to tame the frizz and give you shine. This shampoo is one that you can count on for that wonderful, clean, and hydrated feeling. The directions for the shampoo says to apply on your scalp and massage in, then rinse it out and follow up with your favorite mask or conditioner. Now I will say that this shampoo does not have a ton of lather. As you can see, I kept adding more just to get some of that lather because I do like a good lather. So if you are looking for a good lather, you will have to use a little bit more than normal to get the lather that you're looking for.
I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, we say it's a main thing. Babe, I wanna be alright. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me.
So here I am washing out the shampoo and it definitely left my hair feeling very cleansed and also moisturized. The only downside to this shampoo is that it does not give a ton of lather, but other than that, great shampoo for cleansing and moisturizing your hair.
Ooh, come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I wanna take
that my hair is clean, I am going to go in with the Intense Deep Treatment Mask made with babassu and avocado. I absolutely am in love with the packaging of this hair mask. Super cute, looks like an ice cream container. So this hair mask is created to hydrate, repair, and smooth your hair. It's created for dry and damaged hair. This is also catered to low porosity hair, which I have. So the directions say to apply on wet hair after shampooing and let sit for 30 minutes to an hour under heat, detangle, and then rinse. This hair mask was created with no silicones, no protein, no petroleum, no mineral oil, no coconut oil, and no fragrance. This rich, creamy mask will strengthen, repair, hydrate, and smooth your dry, damaged hair. The unrefined babassu oil, avocado oil, and olive oil will deeply nourish each strand of hair for maximum hair growth and moisture. This mask has a nice amount of slip, so it was very easy to detangle my hair. My hair felt amazing, my curls were popping. Loving this deep conditioner, but let's see when we rinse it out. So as I rinsed out the deep conditioner, my hair felt amazing. It was silky soft, my curls were popping. My hair just felt great. I definitely love this hair mask.
I can't keep up with your mood swings.
This was definitely a great wash day after taking down my crochet box braids. Again, I used the Prepoo Oil, the olive oil and hibiscus gentle hydrating shampoo, and then the Intense Deep Treatment Mask. Definitely recommend these products for natural Rizado. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.
Wanna make your heart sing, but you're not